Do you sometimes forget words when you speak English? Don't worry, many people have the same problem. In this video, I'll share 10 super easy tips to help you remember words better and speak English more smoothly. Ready? Let's go! Tip number 1. Think in English. Try to think in English instead of translating from your language. For example, when you feel tired, say, I'm tired. This helps your brain work faster and words will come out more easily. Tip number 2. Use simple words. If you forget a difficult word, don't stop. For example, if you forget delicious, say very tasty. If you forget huge, say very big. The important thing is to keep speaking and stay confident. Tip number 3. Speak every day. The best way to learn is to use the words in real conversation. Practice with a friend or talk to yourself in front of a mirror. You can also record your voice. Choose a simple topic, like what you did today, and talk about it for 2 minutes. Tip number 4. Learn words in sentences. Don't just memorize a single word. Learn it with a sentence. For example, instead of only beautiful, learn the sky is beautiful today. That way, it's easier to use it when you speak. Tip number 5. Use flashcards. On one side of the card, write the English word. On the other side, write the meaning or draw a picture. Review them for just 5 minutes every day. This small habit really helps. Tip number 6. Watch and listen to English. Your brain learns faster when it hears English every day. Watch movies with subtitles or listen to English songs and podcasts. When you hear a word many times, you'll never forget it. Tip number 7. Repeat and use new words. When you learn a new word, don't read it only once. Say it out loud and use it in different sentences. For example, with exciting. This movie is exciting. My day was exciting. Learning English is exciting. This way, the word becomes part of your memory. Tip number 8. Stay calm and don't be afraid. If you forget a word, don't panic. Take a deep breath and try to explain it in another way. For example, if you forget umbrella, say something we use when it rains. It's okay. The goal is to communicate, not to be perfect. Tip number 9. Write more. Writing helps you remember words better. Keep a small notebook and write one sentence every day. Write about your day, your feelings, or your plans. Writing makes it easier to remember words when you speak. Tip number 10. Learn with pictures. Our brain remembers pictures better than words. Look around you and say the names of things in English. When you see an apple, say apple. When you see a chair, say chair. This helps you learn faster. So, these were 10 easy tips to help you remember English words and speak more fluently. Practice every day and you'll see great results soon. Now, it's your turn. Do you forget words when speaking English? Which tip was your favorite? Tell me in the comments. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in the next video.